Good morning and welcome to VibeZen Daily. This is your 5-minute sun salutation routine. The perfect way to gently wake up your body, focus your mind, and start your day with positive energy. In just a few minutes, you'll stretch, breathe, and flow through a classic sequence, suitable for all levels and easy to make part of your daily ritual. So roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let's greet the day together. Beautiful work. Your morning flow is complete. Folded hands. You've just given your body movement, your breath space, and your mind a calm start, all in just 5 minutes. Come back to this routine anytime you need a boost. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us daily here at VibeZen Daily for more simple, mindful yoga practices. Wishing you a peaceful and energized day ahead. See you next time.